3, 2, 1.
Good evening, everyone. Rusty Sweat here in the KBTX studio, and we just got word that 2 Trump administration officials are going to be in Aggieland on Tuesday. We're talking about U.S. Secretary of Agriculture Brooke Rollins, who is an A&M graduate, and U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. will both be on the Texas A&M campus on Tuesday. That's a milestone day, by the way. That's going to be Donald Trump's 100th day back in the White House as a second-term president. So here's kind of the rundown from what we've been told. Brooke Rollins will begin the day at 8:30 on Tuesday with a visit to the Texas A&M Beef Center. They're going to have a closed press roundtable discussion about the New World screwworm, which is an insect that they say has posed some serious threats to livestock. So after that, there will be a media availability, and then that is when RFK Jr. will join Miss Rollins to go over to a couple of the research facilities at A&M. They're going to be visiting the Normandy Borlaug building. They will get a briefing on the Grand Nutrition Challenge at the Institute for Advancing Health Through Agriculture, and they're going to tour one of the greenhouses at A&M. And then after that, both of them will be available for a media availability. So again, 2 prominent people in the Trump administration will be here in Bryan and College Station on Tuesday. We know RFK Jr. was in Montgomery County over the weekend. And then after their stop here, they're supposed to be going over to Sawyer Farms in Hillsboro, where they'll then continue their stops there to talk about agricultural innovation and the nation's health initiatives, which has been a big thing for both of them under the new administration, the Trump administration. We'll have coverage. We got 2 reporters that are assigned for this tomorrow on Tuesday, so we'll have coverage throughout the day online at kbtx.com and on News 3 at 5, 6, and 10.